Hey guys, I'm Kim. This is Little Man Cave on the Prairie, and today we're back at the 4-door budget build. So before we went any further with the lift, I noticed that the brakes were just absolutely shot. So we're gonna get on that today. Let's grab our trusty 12 mil. That's good. Get the caliper off. She's nice and tight. All right, caliper is off. Now I'll pull the pins. And the pads. Oh yeah, nothing left of those. So I'm not changing out the little clips here. Put our pads back in. New pads in. That wasn't nice. There we go. And I'm going to grease those pins up again. Make sure they're good. Slide that back in. And I'll grab my little brake tool. I like this thing. It comes in so handy. All right, so I picked this up because I was doing brakes lots at work. So I really like this thing. It just compresses the caliper or the piston in the caliper. This one's very small compared to what I do. There we go. Right on. Winning. And we'll just slide this back in. Oh yeah, that's tight too. Perfect. Everything is so old and rusty on this thing that nothing wants to go nicely. So because everything is so old on this thing, we pre-soaked everything because we're going to be doing that lift, which is why we wanted to do the brakes in the first place. Because when we went to go do the lift, we looked at the brakes and they were pretty bad. This bottom one does not want to go in. Let's try that again. I'm just going to readjust everything here because even though we did spray everything, everything's still pretty rusty. I think I can get the top one in nicely, and then I can worry about the bottom one. All right, there we go. And the bottom ones, we'll tighten up all these bottom ones. There you have it. Got new brakes put in. Should be good. There you go. Okay guys, thanks for coming out. Just a quick one for you guys today. I wanted to make sure that the brakes were done long before any lift went in. That was kind of a priority. The brakes were down to like 0. So if you like what you're seeing, like, subscribe, and catch you in the next one.